Good morning. Um, Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my digital diary. And today's video, we are going on another trip. This trip is going to take us to Blue Lagoon and by extension Monkey Island, I was told. So this is basically the intro to it. Don't forget to like the video, watch the entire video, share it if you like to share share it with your friends, and you can also go ahead and leave a comment so the video gets some traction. So yeah, that's it. All right, so this is the fit. I can't show you guys a full body because it's early in the morning, after Hurricane Melissa, and because I don't do Christmas time, the mask of them out, and me must say can't agree. So this is the fit. It's basically a one piece. I'll call it romper. Yeah, romper, and me I wear my Crocs. Me I go wear one slippers for show off my little pretty little toes them, which I'm gonna insert a video for now. So Abby did my toes. Don't mind the fact that my toes look dirty. I don't wash off my toe or none, but she did some pink. She did her stuff. She did her stuff. Looks so nice. However, me did one care my Crocs and wear on slippers for basically for the aesthetics. Cause my bag brown. However, that not really work out because I pack my bag. The Crocs will just be too heavy. Because I want to make sure I have all them essentials them, and the Crocs will just make it too heavy and full up too much space in the bag. So I wear it from the get go. It not gonna look aesthetically pleasing or fashionable, if that's the right word. But comfort is really what I'm working with this morning. And a far way I go, so I'm rather to be comfortable than to look good. That's my philosophy that.
3, 2, 1.
Alright guys, so we're in Burger King. And are you ready? And half of the people are not reaching. The host says 7:30 and after 8. So she know she at 9. I'm going to drink some tea still. Because life did not end when I woke up 5:30 this morning. And still I feel good for people. It's crazy. It's crazy. Oh yeah. It's just a check-in. Peace. So this is Blue Lagoon. So we're waiting on everybody else as a dry land tourist. That's fine. Me can't walk go down there. Anything you do? Kind of fascinating to find out where Monkey Island is. You can pay for pay. You have a paid parking for must be one sun. So, or when you come, you go to the office and you pay entrance fee or something like that. But that is it. How much is the entrance fee? I have no idea. Can probably ask social what the entrance fee is. Alright, I'm gonna tap now. See you on another video, guys. Alright, my flag come back yes after my change. Peace. See, I forget life jacket. See? Oh, you got the jumper?
Tired of life?
I forget life jacket.
Why is it so?
$2,000.
I'm sorry.
Don't like it's small for you.
You're not a bigger one.
No man, you can't small. Me come to you. You go on it. You can't small. That fit man.
Me one can't be when me doing
That fit. You go on. You can't fit out. You know where yourself. You think you put on life jacket, but you don't put on that's right.
It's a kind of mess up with the mangrove, but
Here? It's going to go a lot more bigger. That will get half of the
why strap rubber around it.
half fit for it, here?
I'm afraid.
You got the half go for it.
There's my boot.
Yeah, sure, yeah?
Say hi.
Oh.
Hey.
You know, technique much, here? Can you here? Alright, no?
The water is so pretty.
Look.
Come on, your video.
Okay, so you can look. Me not get you, man. That's why I know.
Okay, you take the one here?
No, man, no.
No, don't go to sleep. I don't want that. Oh, nobody no got in that water. You can put on life jacket for if you not go in that water. What the foot? Oh, this up this thing.
Water?
Yeah.
Water cold.
Come on, I'll use the water. It's a water for you. Let me just. Alright. Boy, slippery or Fred?
Slippery.
Now come down water. But just stand up on the roadside let them free the water. But I have a life jacket if I can't get in the water. It's a big, it's like a mini fish pond when you're walking. Then over this way. I don't know. Ah, when you put your foot in there long enough. Yeah, it's slippery, man. It's slippery. Run on, come. No. But out there so deep though. So you want to take care of and give me it? Yeah. And come out with me? Me not deep. Anyways, it's I feel like I walk on mud. Come, Abby, come. You're not drown, you just have float. How pretty my nails look. Guys, give me my nails. I forgot about this. Oh, that killed me. This isn't. I wanna go. Oh. This is the most what I've had in a while. And I'm just floating away slowly. There's an undercurrent that pushes you behind me. Yeah, I wouldn't put it angry. You can't tell if you unless I saw my look too. And that's Chad. Who are you out there, so? It's ever going to use.
Chad, curse them and they will give it a life.
Yeah, coffee one fair one up put on good. What is?
Because of the size.
Terry coffee?
Me no know. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And me have Chad record himself.
Look back at on the record. Yeah, I can't see good.
Alright, let me try flip the camera.
So you can give me a next
I
one.
record you.
Yeah, can't probably make sure get next one.
Why the back of the water? Come back to the Union Cube. It's your girl D and I'm drowning. Fashionably. It's like a hard for dry. Hey, the water in my float right now.
You're not floating, man.
One bag of food for the first time in my life.
Jennifer, what is your monkey island? We get to them.
Monkey, I gotta put it by the point of monkey island.
I don't know, so then I'm kind of interested to see what monkey island is.
Get some aerials and then probably use.
Chat, hungry or frig?
You hungry?
I ain't no from mine.
I had banana chips on the bus.
Me eat,
Which is nothing really.
the breakfast something from Burger King.
We eat the sandwich. We eat a sandwich yesterday and I tell us that we're really hungry. So that's all we eat yesterday, the sandwich from Swerve.
You want to try the breakfast?
Nice.
Nice?
Me feel like I want to go further.
Hey!
But says Chad can swim, you know. I want to say Blue Lagoon has salt water, that's why. Alright, red hot and black. While listening to this sound in the background. The bulla make it offset the pepper.
Yeah, I want to go to.
It's not that bad. But me pass chance and I swear so like when I look at hotel that alone, I never know say one different type attraction.
What, monkey island?
No, Shankstown.
Huh?
Sansan. Go back up the road. You think I like a resort. But Travis say no, I want next attraction. And a Frenchman Cove, you know? If you definitely plan something, but I know definitely say more walk on Mystic Mountain, more walk on Mystic Mountain, I don't know what now.
Wow. That's so nice, it's just boring.
Wow. Blue Lagoon?
The music.
I can't know an attraction or nothing.
Just the river.
I think the main part about it was, or what was the main attraction fee was Monkey Island.
Yeah.
And then now that they locked it down, it can really see nothing there so.
I think that was the main highlight. Just at home. No, I'm not gonna sleep.
Nah, tell
You was coming away from so early?
I still reach 10 o'clock. Can I stay in bed, you know? I'm gonna stay in bed. You want to hear me run, yeah? It feels so good outside, yeah.
Fresh water, right?
Fresh water, yeah.
Come on, no, I want to do a show, I know, doesn't mean I wonder.